Hey, coffee lovers! Ever wondered what the best morning coffee is in different countries? Let's take a caffeine-fueled trip around the world and explore some of the top-quality coffees that people are sipping on as they kickstart their day. Ready? Let's go! First stop, Ethiopia. Known as the birthplace of coffee, Ethiopia's Yirgacheffe coffee is a must-try. It's got a distinctive floral and fruity flavor that sets it apart. Imagine starting your day with a cup of this aromatic delight. Pure bliss. Next, we head to Colombia. Colombian coffee, especially from the regions of Huila and Nariño, is renowned for its smooth, well-balanced taste. It's often described as having a hint of chocolate and caramel, perfect for those who like their morning brew rich and sweet. Now, let's hop over to Italy. Italians swear by their espresso. A single shot of this strong, dark coffee is how many Italians start their day. It's quick, it's powerful, and it's a beautiful ritual. If you haven't tried a proper Italian espresso yet, put it on your list. Heading to Vietnam next. Vietnamese coffee, or café, is a unique experience. It's traditionally brewed using a fin filter and often mixed with sweetened, condensed milk. The result is a rich, creamy, and incredibly satisfying cup. Great for those who like their coffee sweet and strong. Over to Turkey. Turkish coffee is an ancient tradition. It's unfiltered, meaning you get a thick, strong coffee with the ground settled at the bottom. Often flavored with cardamom, it's a bold way to start your morning. Just remember, don't drink the grounds. In Japan, coffee culture is blossoming. One standout is the Kyoto-style cold brew, known as kohi. Slowly drip brewed over ice, this coffee is smooth and refined, perfect for those hot summer mornings. It's like a coffee delicacy. Now let's visit Brazil. As one of the largest coffee producers in the world, Brazil offers a variety of beans. The Fazenda Santa Inês coffee is particularly famous. This coffee has a nutty, chocolatey flavor with a hint of fruitiness. It's like a little piece of Brazil in your cup. Over to the United States. While the U.S. is known for its diverse coffee culture, one standout is the New Orleans-style coffee. This coffee is blended with chicory, giving it a deep, roasted flavor with a hint of bitterness. Perfect for those who like their coffee with a little extra kick. And finally, Australia. Australians are passionate about their flat white. It's similar to a latte but with a higher coffee-to-milk ratio. Creamy, smooth, and perfectly balanced, it's a great way to start your day down under. So there you have it, folks. Some of the best morning coffees from around the world. Whether you prefer your coffee strong, sweet, creamy, or with a unique twist, there's something out there for every palate. Why not try them all and find your favorite? Thanks for joining me on this caffeinated journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coffee adventures. Until next time, happy sipping.